Hey everybody, just reporting wildfires rage in Australia's state. It says that there's so many numbers of wildfires breaking out in the popular state of Australia. It says 100 active fires in New South Wales, especially reported that are out of control. It says hundreds of thousands of acres across the state. It says thousands of residents of Wales have been forced to leave their homes, and there's reports of outbreaks of fires and dangers of evacuations and so forth on it. Here's some information regarding this.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.